welcome back to the Black Panda Crypto channel. Today we're going to be looking at Solana, the potential Solana ETF, some volume on Solana, meme coins on Dex Scanner. Then we're going to look at the chart to see where could Solana potentially go to. So currently the price of Solana is $141.32, $141, and Solana ETF could come next from Blackrock. Could this trigger a new Sol all-time high? Could this trigger an all-time high? So we know that the all-time high for Solana is approximately $260. $260 is the all-time high. We are still currently at 140. So if BlackRock files for the Solana ETF and it is approved, could we see an all-time high for Solana, similar to what we saw with Bitcoin? From when the ETF was approved all the way till pre-halving, we saw all-time highs for Bitcoin. Then after the halving, prices started correcting, started coming down. So a potential ETF filing by BlackRock for Solana could further boost its mainstream adoption and institutional investment. So if BlackRock files, so we all know the drill: buy the rumor, sell the news. If BlackRock actually files for the ETF, that is a buy signal. That is a buy signal. We enter. That is a buy signal. That is an opportunity for us to start acquiring more and more Solana. We buy the rumor and sell the news. So we already have two ETF companies that have already filed for the Solana ETFs, indicating rising institutional interest for Solana. So there is a large institutional interest for Solana, and I respect that, because when it comes to the Solana ecosystem, it is fast, it is cheap, and majority of retail traders are trading on Solana. It's either we're trading meme coins, or we're providing liquidity, or we're doing something with Solana. We're always retail traders are always interacting with Solana in some way or form. So BlackRock may apply for Sol ETF, for the Sol ETF this month. So the rumor is they might apply in July. They might apply in July. iShares, 21 shares. 21 shares have already filed for the ETF, and we also have VanEck enters. It has also applied for the Solana ETF. So possible consequences for the market. The filings made by VanEck, BlackRock, and iShares indicate that institutional investors are becoming more and more interested in Solana. These changes might give Solana more credibility and recognition as a worthwhile product. Recent decision around crypto assets by the SEC hint the evolution is heading to a regulation landscape allowing for digital currencies with traditional ETF financial instruments. A potential entry into the Solana ETF market by BlackRock, iShares, and VanEck would be a pivotal moment for cryptocurrencies, for the cryptocurrency space as a whole. So if the Solana ETF gets approved, that will be a very, very good thing for the whole space. This will be beneficial for the whole space. We have the Bitcoin ETFs. We have filings for the Ethereum ETFs, which will soon also be approved. So we're heading in the right direction. We need institutional money flowing into the markets. We need institutional money flowing into the markets. Now, the reason why they want to jump in, the reason why these institutions want to jump in is because of this. It's because of these meme coins that are popping up every day. So I'm currently on Dex Screener, and I am on the Solana tab. I'm looking at Solana meme coins that are currently trending in the last 6 hours. Landlord, Ronaldo, Pop Dog, all these different meme coins that are currently trending in the last 6 hours. So people, as I said, the Solana community is huge, and unfortunately there is a lot of meme coins that get dropped within the Solana ecosystem. As you can see, the market caps of these coins, we have one on, the first one is on 4.4 million. If we quickly go inside, we will see that it is only 8 days old. It is only 8 days old, and it reached its peak. Now it's coming down. So there's a lot of pump and dumps within the Solana space when it comes to these meme coins. From when they're released, they pump, then everyone sells. So that is why majority of people are here. So they're trying to get all these big movements. They're trying to get these big movements. So as you can see, we had a almost 17x on this coin, more than 17x, from the very bottom. We had almost a 22x on Landlord, and it is only 8 days old. The 22x was in the first 3 days of release. The first 3 days of release. Unfortunately, these are all risky, very risky trades. These are all risky trades. As you can see, Pop Dog is up 2,000%, which is 20x in the last day. If we go into the coin, we can see that it is only 6 hours old. It is only 6 hours old. So you can imagine, in 6 hours, it was able to accumulate a market cap of 1.2 million, and it has been above 1.2 million at some point. So there is a lot of volume. There's a lot of volume playing around in the Solana space. There's a lot of volume, and for the meme coin traders, they can catch coins, pump it, then sell. Then if we compare it to the Ethereum ecosystem, which is a lot more stable, a lot more advanced, and there's a lot less pump and dumps within the Ethereum ecosystem. So we have the Chinese pepper, which is number one currently when it comes to volume, up 42% in the last day. A lot of people are pushing this coin on social media and everywhere. It is only a month and 5 days old. So it is only a month and 5 days old. And if we check the overall movement from the very bottom, we can see that it is up. It is up quite a bit. It is up quite a bit. Almost 3,700%. So it is up quite a lot within the last 35 days. So that is just the Dex Screener. I just wanted us to look at the overall volume. As you can see, the 24-hour volume on Solana is $1.7 billion, and number of transactions, more than 16 million transactions on Solana, and the last block was 4 seconds ago. And if we look at Ethereum, that side 1.6 billion, this side 1.3 billion. So there's a huge, there's more volume in Solana currently than there is in Ethereum when it comes to these different coins, these different meme coins. There are some utility coins, yes, but most of them are meme coins. Then when we look at BSC, we have 1.45, still below the 1.7 from Solana. And these are the 3 biggest ecosystems. Then we also have the base ecosystem, which is coming up. It has a market 24-hour volume of 472 million. Still not competing. Ton ecosystem is also coming up. And it has a very low volume, just 43 million. Just 43 million. So as you can see, the Solana ecosystem is leading. It's leading when it comes to transactions, when it comes to volume, and it is where most retail traders are, which is one of the reasons why they are filing for this Solana ETF. Now let's look at the chart. The chart has to tell us a story. Let's look at the chart. Let's quickly open the Solana chart, move down to maybe the 4-hour chart to get more insight. This is the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. I just wanted to use it so I can get the all-time high for Solana. So let's move down to the 4-hour chart. Now we're currently on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what is going on with Solana on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what is going on with Solana. Okay. So firstly, we have resistance zone somewhere here. Market has been playing around this area multiple times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this particular resistance zone. Then we have a minor fake out somewhere on the 3rd touch. Then let's look for levels of support. Where's the market supporting? So for that, I am going to use a rectangular box. All the way from December 2023, we have a high here. Then we have a higher low here. Then we have a higher high, and we're still playing around. We're still trying to determine if we're forming a new lower low or we're forming a new higher high. So we have a support level somewhere here. We have a support level somewhere here. Let's look for other zones of potential. Support or resistance. Okay. So I have something here. And we can push this down, no problem. Okay, that is what I'm seeing for the Solana chart currently. That is what I am seeing for the Solana chart currently. So potential movements. So right now, approximately 59 is our next 50 at $59 is our next resistance zone. $59, and exactly at $59 we might start seeing some problems somewhere here. I'm at $59. Then I expect the market to also come back down, either to test this level at 37 or to test the lower level all the way down here, all the way in this area between 125 and 120. So worst case scenario, we do come back to 120, come up to 149, 150. Then finally we might see a breakout. Which will likely push prices above. So as you can see, this scenario is almost a long-term perspective, because this movement is going to be happening over the next few weeks. So I'm on the 4-hour chart. Each candle is represented by 4 hours. So this might take a few weeks to happen, a few weeks to a month, or even above a month to actually play out. So I do expect some bullish movement to the upside. Then we test this area here at 160, then come back down. Then we can test the resistance once more before actually breaking out. Then we might see new highs. So this pattern is actually